Welcome back to Drinks Made Easy, because cocktails don't have to be difficult. Today we're taking a look at the Fitzgerald, a drink that Dale DeGroff, one of the forerunners of the modern craft cocktail movement, introduced at the Rainbow Room in the 90s. Now this is a really simple cocktail. It's basically a lemon daiquiri using gin instead of rum, or just your gin sour with no egg whites and just a little bit of bitters. These old school cocktails are some of my favorites because they only have a couple of really straightforward ingredients, which leads to a really straightforward, delightful cocktail. If you haven't already, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And without any further ado, let's make a cocktail. To build the Fitzgerald, we'll start with 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Next, we'll add 1.5 ounces of gin. Just using a regular London dry gin here. If you use something that's really light, especially when you're adding citrus, it can tend to get just lost. So do recommend using a nice strong flavored gin. 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice and 1 ounce of simple syrup. Cap that off to a shaker tin full of ice and give it a quick shake. Strain into the coupe or cocktail glass of your choice. And now this cocktail originally calls for being placed in a rocks glass, but just like any drink, if you want to change the presentation of it, or if you tend to prefer your drink to not get further diluted, just go ahead and put it in a coupe like we're doing today. And then we're just going to garnish with a nice little slice of lemon. And easy as that, you have the Fitzgerald. The Fitzgerald is just basically a classic gin sour. Now, especially if you like lemon more than lime, this is a great alternative to sort of your variations on a daiquiri. So if you got a lot of lemons, make some of these. If you got a lot of limes, make a daiquiri. Cheers from Drinks Made Easy.